The collaboration between two countries will be facing some obstacle, especially the language. But apart from that, this collaboration will be unique and have a different taste. Pitch of Time, I think, is one of the first Thai and Korean BL collaboration. And today I will share two upcoming Korean Thai BL schedule release this year. At number 1, Love is Like a Cat. Everyone is waiting for Mew to star again in BL, and this year he will star in a Thai Korean BL entitled Love is Like a Cat, along with Just B members Geonu and GM, also with Kim Kyung-suk. Mew Suppassit will take the role of Geonu, Jimin or GM as Daepil, Lee Geonu or Geonu as Jimin, and Kim Kyung-suk as Jin-hyuk. The series will tell the story of Geonu, a new star with a cold, sober image, works in dog kindergarten as charismatic director along with Daepil, Kimin, and veterinary hospital director Jin-hyuk. They experience conflict and develop friendship through the conflicts. I can say from the synopsis it's a bromance, but I'm not sure. Let's just wait. And we still don't know the release date of this series, but the filming is already complete. Number 2 is Eccentric Love, or also known as BTS Love. This series will star Yoon Jun-won as Young-hoon, Sai Sawat as Jae, Geonu as Young-ju, and Ko Byung-won as Jin-wook. The series is also slated to be released this year and tells the story of youthful romance between Seung-hoon and Jae facing a mysterious murder case. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next video. Bye.